You gotta take it in. Oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be a good life. Good life. Say, oh, got this feeling that you can't fight, like the city is on fire night. Could really be a good life. A good, good life. Hopelessly, I feel like there might be something that I'll miss. Hopelessly, I feel like the windows closes oh so quick. Hopelessly, I'm taking a mental picture of you now. Cause hopelessly, the hope is we have so much to feel good about. Oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be a good life. Good life. Say, oh, got this feeling that you can't fight, like the city is on fire night. Could really be a good life. Good, good life. Good, good life.
It was an awesome performance by the conspirators. No conspiracy behind this. That was brought to you by Sahib, Swati, Mohit, Yogeshwar and Suraj of Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Now we move on to the awards. For giving away the awards, may I now invite to the stage Professor Appavu. I request Mr. Ankur Jain, Director of Fiji Chennai, to accompany him to the stage.
On to Chennai North and Central, V. Hari Prasad, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
He received the gold medal in overall mathematics and the silver medal in chemistry and the bronze medal in physics. A big round of applause, please.
Manumitran K. Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Sonal rank 2 in overall, Sonal topper in physics and Sonal rank 2 in chemistry.
Kavya S. Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Sonal rank 3 in overall, 2 in mathematics and 2 in physics.
J. Akash Tiwari, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Sonal topper in chemistry. Encourage him, please. A big round of applause.
B.V. Harish, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Silver medal in chemistry. Congratulations.
R. Harshini, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Bronze medal in chemistry.
Siddharth P. Jacob, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Sonal rank 3 in mathematics.
Moving on to the Chennai South region, Raghavan S. Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Sonal topper in overall, physics and mathematics and Sonal rank 2 in chemistry. Congratulations.
Anirudh Reddy P. PS Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Sonal rank 2 in overall, Sonal topper in mathematics and bronze medal in physics and chemistry.
A. Nivasini, APL Global, Chennai.
Sonal rank 3 in overall and 2 in mathematics.
Jayaganesh, DAV Public School, Chennai.
Silver medal in physics and mathematics.
Anish Pratik Yayavaram, The Hindu Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Sonal topper in chemistry and the bronze medalist in mathematics.
Moving on to the Chennai West region, R. Gautam Bhaktavatsala Vidyashram, Tiruvallur.
Sonal topper in physics and mathematics and overall. And Sonal rank 2 in chemistry.
A. Sarath Reddy Jawahar Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Sonal rank 2 in overall, physics and mathematics. Congratulations.
Mugdha Mahapatra Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chennai.
Sonal rank 3 in overall, Sonal topper in chemistry and Sonal rank 3 in mathematics.
S. Akash DAV Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Sonal rank 3 in physics.
Shaurya Dwivedi Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chennai.
Sonal rank 2 in chemistry.
C. Siddharth Jawahar Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Bronze medalist in chemistry.
We also request the present class 12 students to come and be ready.
To receive your awards.
Moving on to the Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Tirupur and Erode region, V.S. Rakesh Sugana Pep School, Coimbatore.
He is the Sonal topper in the overall and mathematics category, and he is also receiving the silver medal for his excellent performance in physics.
S. Aravind Sugana Pep School, Coimbatore.
Sonal rank 2 in overall and Sonal topper in chemistry.
R. Maitreyi Sugana Pep School, Coimbatore.
Sonal rank 3 in overall and Sonal topper in physics.
Saurabh Tyagi Kendriya Vidyalaya, Coimbatore.
Sonal rank 3 in physics.
Vignesh S. Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Coimbatore.
Silver medal in chemistry.
Shilpa Raju Vidya Niketan Metric Higher Senior Secondary School, Coimbatore.
Bronze medal in chemistry.
S. Kirtik Ashwin Srinivasa Vidyalaya Matriculation, Udumalapet.
Sonal rank 2 in mathematics.
G. Karthiban GKD Metric Higher Secondary School, Coimbatore.
Sonal rank 3 in mathematics. His brother will collect his award on behalf of him.
Moving on to the rest of Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, I. Vikraman Maharishi International Residential School, Kanjipuram.
Sonal topper in everything, overall, chemistry and mathematics. A big round of applause.
R. Gokulan Maharishi International Residential School, Kanjipuram.
Sonal rank 2 in overall, mathematics and bronze medal in chemistry.
Anupama K.A. Maharishi International Residential School, Kanjipuram.
Bronze medal in overall and mathematics.
B. Darshan, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanjipuram.
Sonal topper in physics.
Harish Balaji, PC, Petit Seminary Higher Senior Secondary School, Puducherry.
Sonal rank 2 in physics.
Anubhav Sen, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Kalpakam. SN Lasya, DAV MHS School, Chennai. She is a zonal topper in chemistry. Sonia B, Sri Jayendra Swamigal, Silver Jubilee Matriculation Higher Senior Secondary School,
Sonal
Tirunelveli.
topper in chemistry.
Ankit Jyotish, ONGC Public School, Karaikal.
Sonal rank in chemistry. Silver medal. Yes. I now invite Siddharth and Atya to take over.
I request Ankit Kumar Pal of class 7 from PSBB Senior Secondary School to receive his bronze medal. Please come on to
for
the stage.
science.
Moving on to class 11, Chennai North and Central Zone. Aniket Mureka, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
He's the zonal topper overall, the zonal topper in chemistry, and the zonal topper in physics. That's 3 gold medals. Everybody, give a big hand.
Asri Vatsan, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 overall, zonal topper in mathematics, and the zonal rank 2 in physics. 2 silver medals and a gold medal.
SV Dilip Kumar, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 overall, 1 bronze medal.
Kiran G. Bharadwaj, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 in physics, a bronze medal.
Gopi Krishna G, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 in chemistry, a silver medal.
N. Lakshmanaran, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
The zonal rank of 2 in chemistry, he's getting a silver medal.
Sri Krishna S. Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 in chemistry, a bronze medal.
K. Siddharth Shashadri, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
A zonal rank of 2 in mathematics, a silver medal.
Hidesh Sai KB, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 in mathematics, he's not here.
Moving on to Chennai South region, R. Gauri Shankar Chetna Vidyashram, Chennai.
A zonal topper overall, zonal topper in chemistry, and the zonal topper in mathematics. 3 gold medals. Everybody, a big hand. His principal and teachers are also with him.
Shubham Kumar Chetna Vidyashram, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 overall, zonal rank 3 in mathematics, a silver medal and a bronze medal.
Sri Raghav Srinivasan, Sir Sivasamy Kalyalaya, Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 overall and a zonal rank of 3 in physics, 2 bronze medals.
Vignesh Manoharan, Modern Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
The zonal topper in physics, a gold medal.
M. Arjuna Sarathi, St. John Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 in physics, a silver medal.
Girish Raghuveer J. Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank of 2 in chemistry, he's getting a silver medal.
K. Aditya, Chetnad Vidyashram, Chennai.
He's getting zonal rank 3 in chemistry, that's a bronze medal.
Vikas Ganesan, Chetnad Vidyashram, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 in mathematics, silver medal.
Moving on to Chennai West region, K. Maheshwaran, Balalok, Matriculation, Chennai.
Zonal topper overall, gold medal.
S. Arvind Natraj, SBS School and Junior College, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 overall, silver medal.
K.M. Tej Kiran, DAV Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 overall and zonal rank 2 in chemistry. That's a bronze medal and a silver medal.
R. Kritikesh, DAV Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
He's the zonal topper in physics and the zonal topper in chemistry. 2 gold medals.
Raveen N, DAV Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 in physics. That's a silver medal.
Venkat Bulusu, Amrita Vidyalayam, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 in physics. A bronze medal.
R. Kirtivasan, DAV Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 chemistry. A bronze medal.
S. Gokul, PSBB Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal topper mathematics. He's getting a gold medal.
A. Sai Abhishek, the PSBB Millennium School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 2 in mathematics. That's a silver medal.
D. Sai Arvind, PSBB Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Zonal rank 3 in mathematics. That's a bronze medal.
Moving on to Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Tirupur and Erode Center. Sachin K. Salim, Sugana Pip School, Coimbatore.
He's a zonal topper overall, the zonal topper in chemistry. He has a zonal rank of 2 in physics and a zonal rank of 3 in mathematics. That's 2 gold medals, a silver medal and a bronze medal. A big hand everybody.
S. J. Krishna, Sugana Pip School, Coimbatore.
Zonal rank of 2 overall, that's a silver medal.
K.R. Prajwal, Sugana Pip School, Coimbatore.
Zonal rank 3 overall, a bronze medal.
Sanjay Sugana Pip School, Coimbatore.
Zonal topper in physics, a gold medal. He's not with us.
AP Sri Jayasurya, Sugana Pip School, Coimbatore.
Zonal rank 3 in physics, a bronze medal.
K. Soumya, GD Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Coimbatore.
Zonal rank 2 chemistry, a silver medal.
P. Siddharth Swami, Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore.
He's a zonal topper in mathematics and has a gold medal.
Sai Surya K, Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore.
Zonal rank of 2 in mathematics. That's a silver medal.
Moving on to the rest all Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands region. B. Gautam, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal topper overall and in physics, and he's getting a zonal rank of 3 in mathematics. 2 gold medals and a bronze medal.
Pathasarathi S. Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal rank of 2 in overall and in chemistry, and a zonal rank 3 in physics. 2 silver medals and a bronze medal.
K.R. Prabhu, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal rank 3 overall, zonal rank 2 in physics, a bronze medal and a silver medal.
Ajay Anand, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
He's a zonal topper in chemistry. He's getting a gold medal.
S. Saundar, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal rank 3 in chemistry, bronze medal.
Kaviraj R. Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal topper in mathematics, gold medal.
R. Mohan Kumar, Maharishi International Residential School, Kanchipuram.
Zonal rank 2 in mathematics, that's a silver medal.
Thus comes the end to the FTRE awardees. Now let's move on to the culturals. Up next we have Vande Mataram performed by the Patriots.